Hi guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a homemade squishy, and I'm sorry about the background noise if you guys could hear it, but I'm going to show you how to make a homemade squishy. So this is what the squishy looks like. So the face is kind of coming off. I'm really sorry about that, but I will be showing you how to make this squishy. It's really simple, and I think if you want to make this because you don't have a squishy, or you just want to make a homemade squishy because you're bored or something during quarantine. But this is really simple, and I hope you guys like the video. Okay guys, so I'm sorry about this shampoo bottle. This is the only thing that would hold up the camera, but what you're going to need is some paper. You could use lined paper or any type of paper, but I prefer computer paper because it's just blank. Then you're going to need some markers. I prefer Sharpies, but I don't really have some, so I'm just going to use these calligraphy markers. And then you're going to need a pencil, and I'll show you why. And lastly, you're going to need a Ziploc bag. Oh wait, you're going to need some, what is this called? Store bags. I forgot what it's called. I'm so sorry. But I have a lot of these. And so you're going to need these, or you're going to, if you want, you could use toy stuffing, from stuffed animals, I guess, or a trash bag, but I only have this, so yeah. So what you're going to do is, oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. I'm sorry guys, you don't need paper. I was thinking of paper squishies, but you don't need paper for this. Okay, anyways, you're going to need your Ziploc. I'm gonna grab my markers. This is really hard to open. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one because it's the closest to a Sharpie, even though it kind of smudges off. Oh, I'm so sorry guys. I don't have a tripod or anything to hold up my camera. I'm so sorry about that. That was loud. Okay. Well, let me fix this a little bit. This is gonna fall on my head, I just know it. But anyways, what you're going to do is you're going to draw out your design. So I'm just going to do a simple design, kind of. But I'm just going to draw whatever comes to my head. I'm kind of gonna draw what the Ziploc bag, the one that I showed you at the beginning. It's really easy to draw. So you just kind of make a circle, and you make sure that you don't fill in two circles. Just like this, you just make these, and you fill the rest in. I'm really bad. But if you're using regular markers, black markers or something, make sure you don't touch it, because these, they will smudge. So you kind of have to let it dry. And now I'm just going to make a little face. Oh, see, it smudges. Okay, well, that just happened, but that's what the face looks like. Okay, so now it's really derpy or something, I don't know. So now you're going to open the bag. It doesn't really matter if it smudges. This is just an example on how to make it. So now you're going to open the bag, and you're going to stuff whatever your stuffing is into the bag. So in this case, my stuffing is these store bags. I really forgot what they're called. I'm so sorry. And I'm going to close it. You can add more if you'd like, but I'm just going to add that much, because then it gets two packs in there. Don't do this so hard close. Sorry guys. Okay, I got a little bit of it closed. I don't know why this Ziploc bag is so hard to close. Okay, I think we did it. Oh my goodness, there is a hair in there, but I don't want to take it out because this was hard to close. I'm so sorry about that, guys. There's like a hair. Okay, well, that is, my anxiety is going up really, really high. But anyways, you're going to need your pencil, and you're going to just poke holes into the bag on the back and the front so that it could be more so rising and it won't have so much air. So just gonna twist it. Okay, I think that's good. Oh wait, the face. And yeah, that's pretty much how to make a bagged squishy, I guess. This is really, really easy. Of course, you could add much more detail into the face, but I just did this little drippy face. It's cute. That hair is really, really annoying me. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.